Good evening everyone. Welcome back to RK Institute. In today's class, we'll discuss what is advantage of doing data analyst course. And in present market, it is in a top position, and you can see that we have a high demand and we have good growth as well. So this is one of the advantage of doing data analyst course. And for we'll see what is first point of doing data analyst course, and it's in a high demand present market, and data analysts are required in almost every industry, for example IT, healthcare, finance, retail, marketing, etc. And if you can see in college, hospital, everywhere, and where and all you can see data, there will be data analyst. So this is one of the advantage, because nowadays you can see data is increasing, and might be you can get a doubt, AI is coming, and you will not get a opportunity as a data analyst. Don't think like that. If you are good in data analyst, you have a good knowledge in data analyst, so we have after 20 to 20 years also, you will get good position, good growth, everything. And a course helps you gain in demand skills and making you more employable, and you can see that it is in a high demand. You can gain knowledge, and you can improve yourself, and you can gain more money as well. And the good package salary, skilled data analysts often earn higher than average salaries, and the demand supply gap ensures good career growth. And if you have good career, if you have a gap in your career, or if you have a non-IT experience, you are planning to switch IT, and for them, for this kind of people, this course is very important, very helpful, and practical job oriented skill. And you will earn total like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Power BI or language, and hands on projects helps you apply knowledge to real world scenarios. And if you will join for course, we will give hands on experience and exactly how organization will work, like that project we will practice. So this is also advantage of doing data analyst course. And strong career foundation, data analyst can be a stepping stone of data science, business analyst, and BI developer or AI MI engineers roles. And whatever data science, business analyst, like this very high demand career foundation you can see in present market. So data analyst is the stepping for all those things. And if you are good in data analyst role, if you have a good knowledge in data analyst role, so easily you can step into data scientist, data analyst, or BI developer, or AI MI engineers roles. There obviously you will get a good package, good growth, that is higher than data analyst. So data analyst will helpful for you to stepping into next level in your career. So this is also one of the advantage of doing data analyst course. Directly, if you can't go to data science or business analyst or any other high level of job positions, because if you don't have basic, you can't go to higher level, right? So basic is very important. That is kind of a foundation for you. Without foundation, you can't grow. So if your foundation is strong, you can go easily, you can growth easy, your growth is very high, and opportunity also will be more. If you are a data analyst, if you are become a data analyst, easily you can become a data science, business analyst, BI developer, or AI MI engineers roles. So data analyst is the foundation for all this course. And we'll see next point of next advantage, and improves decision making skills. And you learn how to analyze the data, find patterns, and support business decision with evidence. And what is your major roles and responsibilities in data analyst is giving decisions, and your decision making will help you to increase the particular your client business. So what I am going to say is, if you are already decision maker in your real life, for example, if you will go to any cloth shop, blindly you will buy one cloth, no, right? If you will think twice, and you will cross check whether that cloth is nice, quality is good, color is suitable for you, color is nice, and size, everything will cross check, right? That is also decision making only. If you are a good decision maker in your real time, real life, why you can't become a decision maker as a data analyst? That is my question. Obviously, and one more thing, if you will go to vegetable shop, blindly will you buy vegetable? No, right? You will think twice whether I can buy that vegetable, this vegetable, or vegetable is spoiled or not, vegetable is good or not, or the vegetable is fresh or not. Like that, everything will take a decision, right? That is also decision making. If you are already decision maker in your real time, why you can't take decisions as a data analyst? You can do it in uh, your organization level also, right? And one more thing, you can plan. If you are a worker, or if you are a student, you will plan your future, your life, or present scenario, everything you will take decisions, right? If you are a worker, you will take a decision how to save money, how to spend money, and where to invest, how to invest, or share market is good, like that. And whatever, how much you need to spend monthly, everything, or how to fix your EMIs, or which, and you will plan to buy something costly items, or like this, or you will plan for trip, that and all, everything is decision only, right? If you are already decisions maker in your real time, you can do it as a data analyst as well. So it will improve your decision making skills. In you might be it's in your real time, might be it's in your organization level, but it will help you to improve your decision making. And opportunities across industries, and data skills are useful in banking, e-commerce, healthcare, education, telecom, manufacturing, and more. Nowadays, you can see everywhere data, and in your real life also there will be data, right? And I told about monthly calculation, that data also you will collect, right? How much salary you got, and how much you need to spend, how need to give, how you need to spend, how much rent, how much water bill, and how much current bill, and how much amount you need to spend for vegetable, how much you spend for groceries. Like this data and all you will collect, right? That is also data. If you are already data analyst and you are real time, why you can't work as a data analyst? Easy example, right? So, and nowadays you can see that everywhere data, guys. And small companies will use Excel, small companies will store all those data on Excel, but give big industries, big platform, they can't use Excel. What they will do, they will use Power BI. So this is one of the advantage. And we have many across industries, banking also, and e-commerce, healthcare, everywhere there will be data, guys. So this is one of the advantage. And the next point is global career opportunities. Data analyst is not limited to one country. Skills are valuable worldwide, and you can see that everywhere data analyst role is holding their major roles, and data analyst is playing major roles in every sector. So this is also one of the advantage. And you can see a worldwide data analyst role, you can see. And US, UK, India, everywhere data analyst role is holding their major role. It's completely worldwide. So you will opportunity is more, so no need to worry about opportunities will be more, and growth also will be more. And beginner friendly entry, and many courses start with the basics, so even non-technical backgrounds can learn. And who is planning to switch non-IT to IT, they can learn. It's a friendly tool, and easy to learn as well, and beginner friendly as well, and it's a completely no code based tool, so it is easily you can learn. But thing is, we are expecting 100% effort from you guys. If you are good to go and good to spend your time, definitely you will get a good growth as a data analyst. And a data analyst course basically gives you skills plus project plus certification, which helps you get a job and switch careers, or grow in your current role, everything, data analyst role will help, means data analyst course will help. So anyone is planning to go for data analyst course, my suggestion is please go ahead and do your 100% effort. Thank you guys, we'll meet again.